Hello ladies and gentlemen. In this video I am going to show you how to extract information from a PDF by using extractpdf.com. Are you tired of spending hours manually copying and pasting information from PDF files? Do you need a quick and easy way to extract text and images from your PDF documents? Look no further than extractpdf.com. In this video, we'll show you how to use extractpdf.com to extract text and images from PDF files in just a few simple steps. Extractpdf.com is a free and easy-to-use online tool that allows you to extract text and images from your PDF documents without the need for any special software. We'll walk you through the process of uploading your PDF file to extractpdf.com, selecting the pages you want to extract, and choosing the format for your extracted content. We'll also provide tips and tricks to optimize your extractpdf.com experience, including how to ensure the accuracy of your extracted text and how to save time by extracting multiple pages at once. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who works with PDF files regularly, extractpdf.com is a valuable tool that can save you time and effort. Watch this video and start using extractpdf.com today to get the most out of your PDF documents. Get images, text, or fonts out of a PDF file. With this free online tool you can extract images, text, or fonts from a PDF file. No installation or registration necessary. Maximum file size for upload is 25 megabytes. Supported file types, PDF. Extracted fonts might be only a subset of the original font and they do not include hinting information. Images are extracted in their original version and size. Image filters and changes in their size specified in the PDF are not applied. Text which is embedded as an image will not be extracted. This tool does no OCR on the PDF. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.